Art, the artist.
That's one way to look at it. Okay, good morning comrades. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Polar Racing, where today we'll be actually racing after days of practicing, messing around. It's going to be quite fun. We actually already did a race and I realized that this car has its rear tires for pretty much most of the cars. It's a funny thing. So the cars with good performing engines have actually burned up the tires, but the ones that have actually like kind of lazy engines, they have not burnt up the tires, or people will be taking easy with them or not trying to drift. I'm going to use my driver excuse of saying that the tires are a bit burnt up and we don't have much grip. We're doing formation lap now, and since this event is not sanctioned by FIA or anything, we have Adrian on the passenger seat just filming, and it should be fun. So we're doing formation lap now. Okay, so white flag is about to be shown. Flag, and off we go. On the gas, wheel spin. Off we go!
We've got the lead.
Traction, 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 go, go, go! With the fourth gear in here to get a bit more torque. Like no grip at all, just sliding around, hoping that people don't mess it up. Ah. I didn't see the mirror. Go away with the camera. No, 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 no. Fuck! Honestly. Got you. How many laps are we doing? I thought we were doing only 5. Where's the finish flag, bro?
I think it's seventh lap.
Okay.
But it should be fine.
I thought so too, but I mean we're way ahead of everyone right now. Before the finish line! Oh, that pisses me off so much. You have no idea. Ah! Okay, so that was it. So now I should go to the race control and protest that they decided to do 7 laps instead of 5. So I think it's just like unfair competition. Why 7 laps? Why not 5?
Because things, I guess.
So I won.
Bonus laps.
Yeah.
Did you get the video when I'm jumping away?
All right.
Yeah, then I guess lunch it is.
Yeah, let's go for lunch. Food shot.
Ich habe den kennengelernt auf dem Event von Ducati auch. Der ist halt immer, sein Markenzeichen ist immer...
Good luck.
Thank you.
See you. Have
We
fun.
should drive a lap together later.
Yeah, let's do that.
Yeah.
Then
of course.
see you later.
Thanks. Bye.
Well, I guess that's pretty much it, comrades, for today. yeah, we got the GoPro. We're gonna check out the footage. I hope you enjoyed. I want to say massive thank you to Polar Racing for this amazing event. You should come and do it yourself because we had lots of fun for the last 3 days. The day's not over yet and there's a lot more to come, but we're not allowed to show it on camera because there's going to be some sick party planned. All right, that's it. We're gonna go for a couple of more laps afterwards. Although you know what they say, never go for last lap. But what can happen here in this track? No barriers, so let's do that. Planted.
Turhanut ketjukin panin perkele, kun näissä silmät on.
Well, that's what happens when you go for one last lap, huh?
Yeah, always.
Always.
Always a one last lap.
Never go for that one last lap. Well, luckily I wasn't the first one. And no, although I drove the compact yesterday, this was not me. This happened today. We have actually this on camera, right, Adrian?
Yep.
And that's also the best part about this event, about ice racing, because the organizers told us, you know what, we expect these cars in 1 or 2 years to look like this, like those shit boxes that we showed you at the beginning. We can have a look at the front in case you missed the first video, like that. So they said don't worry, because yeah, that's the eventual goal. This is going to happen on the ice racing. This is also a goal of showing to you as a driver that contact things can happen and what will happen with the contact, and eventually they're gonna also encourage you to use that. So by now most of us were like, new cars, we don't want to like crash them, but that's all part of the experience. Unlike also other track days or racing, we are not liable for it unless obviously you completely destroy the car, then someone might talk to you, but this is all included in the participation fee and that makes it awesome. So I had lots of fun, and as said before, don't go for that very last lap because things will happen, and luckily this was just that. We didn't land it on the roof, but yeah, looking forward to hopefully maybe do next year more, because as you could have seen the last couple of weeks, I really started loving ice driving. So maybe actually professional competition should come next. But for that, so stay tuned, like, subscribe, share, etc, etc, but most importantly also check out the link in the video description to Polar Racing if you want to have this much fun yourself. And if you don't have Adrian to film you, they have also their own film and photography crew. So thanks to them, we have this amazing thumbnail. Yep. So have a good time. See you. Bye. This day is a gift that keeps on giving. We were not the only ones who decided to go for last lap. Mike, your mirror is a bit...
Yeah, I lost a few parts on the track, I think.
Yeah.
I tried to overtake Bettina on the inside and didn't see her back coming into me, so now I know how that feels.
Sorry about that.